Before buying natural hygiene products, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Many of these products might look similar, but their effectiveness can vary widely.
Product number 1, Boca Fluoride-Free Toothpaste. Let's talk about the Boca Fluoride-Free Toothpaste, priced at $11.62. What caught my attention was its unique formula featuring nano-hydroxyapatite, which is a game changer for enamel care. If you want effective, fluoride-free oral care, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The nano-hydroxyapatite is known to mimic the natural minerals in your teeth. This means it can help rebuild and protect your enamel, making it a great choice for those with sensitive teeth. Plus, it's free from artificial flavors, parabens, and sulfates, so you can feel good about what you're putting in your mouth. With over 90,000 units sold this past month, it's clear that many people are opting for this healthier alternative. Now, some people complained about its low foaming nature, saying it feels a bit strange compared to traditional toothpastes. Here's the thing though, it's designed that way to keep your brushing comfortable and effective, so don't let that deter you if you're after better oral health. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a natural toothpaste that cares for sensitive teeth and enamel. Skip this one if you prefer a strong minty foam in your toothpaste. For the price, it's a solid investment in your oral health. Now, if Boca's texture bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a whitening focus.
Product number 2, Guru Nanda Teeth Whitening Strips. The Guru Nanda Teeth Whitening Strips kit, priced at $9.97. The moment I saw the promise of a brighter smile with coconut oil and hydrogen peroxide, I knew this one was worth checking out. If you want to whiten your teeth at home easily, this is definitely worth a serious look. What's great about this kit is its combination of ingredients. The hydrogen peroxide works to break down stains, while the coconut oil soothes your gums. With 7 treatments included, you can enjoy flexibility in your whitening routine. Each strip adheres well and stays put for up to 60 minutes, which is vital if you want to maximize results. With a growing number of buyers, it's clear people are seeing results. However, some users mentioned they experienced sensitivity after using the strips. I'll be real with you. While that can happen, it usually goes away quickly. If you have sensitive teeth, just be cautious and maybe skip a day in between uses. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a fast and effective way to whiten your teeth without professional help. Skip this if you're highly sensitive to whitening products or prefer a gentler approach. For under $10, it's a solid option for a brighter smile. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for maintaining daily hygiene.
Product number 3, Master Medi Tongue Scraper. We have the Master Medi Tongue Scraper available for just $9.95. What really caught my eye was its stainless steel design, which is both durable and effective. If you want to tackle bad breath and improve your oral hygiene, this is worth a serious look. Using a tongue scraper can make a big difference in your oral health. This scraper is designed to remove the gunk that builds up on your tongue, which is often a source of bad breath. The ergonomic design makes it easy to use, and the stainless steel material means it's easy to clean and won't harbor bacteria. Plus, the travel cases are a nice touch for on-the-go hygiene. Now, some people find stainless steel scrapers a bit harsh on the tongue. Here's my perspective. If you're gentle, this won't be an issue, and you'll appreciate how clean your mouth feels afterwards. This is perfect for you if you're serious about oral hygiene and want something portable and effective. Skip this one if you prefer softer alternatives. For the price, it's a worthwhile addition to your hygiene routine. Now, if you're looking for something to enhance your brushing routine, check out this next product.
Product number 4, Guru Nanda Hydroxyapatite Toothpaste. Priced at $9.99. I was intrigued by its claim of being fluoride-free while still providing whitening benefits. If you're after a natural toothpaste that also fights plaque and promotes enamel health, this one is worth your attention. This toothpaste features a fortifying formula with hydroxyapatite, which helps remineralize your teeth, making it a fantastic choice for anyone worried about tooth sensitivity. The blend of natural ingredients like neem and essential oils gives you a fresh feel without harsh chemicals. It's dentist recommended and has been flying off the shelves, which says a lot about its popularity. However, some users have pointed out that it doesn't foam as much as traditional toothpaste. Honestly, while that can take some getting used to, it's a sign that you're using something gentler on your mouth. This is perfect for you if you want a natural toothpaste that cares for your enamel and freshens your breath. Skip this if you prefer a classic paste with lots of foam. For what you get, it's a great value. Now, if you want something for a quick refresh, let's look at the last product on our list.
Product number 5, the Honest Company Flushable Wipes. We have the Honest Company Hypoallergenic Flushable Wipes, which are a must-have for sensitive skin. While the price isn't specified, they offer great value at 126 wipes per pack. If you want a gentle, effective way to stay clean on the go, these are worth considering. The wipes are crafted to be safe for flushing, breaking down like toilet paper, which is a huge plus for convenience. They're made with over 99% water, ensuring a fresh and clean feeling, especially compared to toilet paper. Plus, being hypoallergenic and dermatologist tested means they cater to even the most sensitive skin without irritating it. However, a few users have mentioned that they wish these wipes were more moist. Here's my take. While that can be a concern, the water-based formula is designed for gentleness, and you can always use a bit more product as needed. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable and gentle option for cleansing. Skip this if you're looking for heavily scented or thicker wipes. For their purpose, these wipes offer excellent value.
To wrap it all up, we've looked at 5 amazing natural hygiene products, from the enamel-friendly Boca toothpaste to the whitening power of Guru Nanda's strips. Each product offers unique benefits. The Master Medi tongue scraper and Guru Nanda's hydroxy appetite formula enhance your oral care, while the Honest Company's wipes keep you fresh on the go. Whatever your hygiene needs, there's something here for everyone.